Today Washington, D.C., is important government buildings, including the U.S. Capitol, where the Senate and the House of Representatives meet, the White House, where the President lives and works, and the Supreme Court building, where many important court rulings are made. The city is also full of landmarks including the Washington Monument, the Thomas Jefferson Memorial, and the Lincoln Memorial. D.C. also has several islands in the Potomac, such as Theodore Roosevelt Island, which has a number of walking trails and is often visited by locals. But if you're looking for a bit of wilderness in D.C., don't miss Rock Creek Park. Though it's a bustling city, Washington, D.C., has lots of wildlife. Look for mammals such as Virginia possums, groundhogs, brown bats, and flying squirrels. You might even spot the U.S. national bird, the bald eagle. Washington is an extraordinary city, one with multiple personalities, a working federal city, an international metropolis, a picturesque tourist destination, an unmatched treasury of the country's history and artifacts, and a cosmopolitan center that retains a neighborly small-town ambience. The role Washington plays as the capital of the United States often overshadows its lively local history and its complex political, economic, and social issues.